Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to save TikTok draft to gallery without posting. So first of all, open TikTok account and tap onto plus icon for the post. Now I'm record a video. Start. Okay, click on to next and select the option everyone can view this post. Select to only you. Tap on to post. Okay, private your video on your profile. Okay, that's how you can easily save TikTok draft to gallery without posting. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel.